Okay, we're going to look at some common problems that have come up for the Algebra 2 Semester 2 Unit 5 activity. So here it is here, and it'll ask you to open up a spreadsheet, and usually this is where people have some issues. And so the spreadsheet is here. Now a lot of times what might happen is that you can press F9 on your keyboard, but this doesn't change. Sometimes that happens. And so what you could do is just keep going back and forth between these two tabs, and it'll give you a new number. So 0.4933, we're going to want to put that in here. As you can see, it's not writing in here, even though I typed it, but it is up here, which is kind of strange also. So you might find that you can't actually type those numbers in. But it should work. If that does not work, then what you can do is click on the cell and go up here to write your new number. So, so if we go back here, this should be a new sample proportion. So it did change. So if you're having trouble changing this, just go back and forth. So now this is 0.4433. Now it doesn't let me copy and paste it. So I clicked on it. If I copy this and I go here and I paste it, it turns into something crazy. So I'm going to just undo by doing Control Z. So I'm not going to copy and paste it that way like it says. But, oh, I forget what that number was. So let's go back. So 0.4800 is our new number. So if I want to put that in here, I'm going to click up here, 0.4800, and that should work totally fine. If I go back, 0.5100, so 0.5100. So that should work. So if you're having trouble with the F9 part, just keep going back and forth. We see that, oh, it should be changing. Let's try it. 0.4600. Okay, there we go. So it changes. So don't try to copy and paste it. That usually doesn't work. And if you're having trouble putting it in here, try clicking on the cell that you want and typing it in there. Hopefully this works.